Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add friend on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legend account. And if you already log in into your Mobile Legend account, you can click over here main icon with the plus icon, and then over here you can simply follow people with by clicking the follow button above over here, or you can search the number ID or name of your friend that you want to add. For this example, I will type the number of ID random, by the way. See, here's the player with the number ID, or you can search by the name search. See, pro player or pro. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.